Welcome to Riley Eyeglass Repairs. He's going to do one of his most famous surgeries, which is the repair of the bridge. This had become separated, the bridge from the eye wire. You can't, there it is. That's a better demonstration. And he's going to solder it back together. And this is how the Michelangelo of Eyeglass Repairs does it. Nobody does it better. So he's using this clamp, the 4 clamps, to get everything back into what's known as standard alignment, the way it did when it came out of the factory. This is what makes him good. It would take me an hour just to get this lined up. So he's got that there, lined up well. The craftsman at work, measuring the height of one side before doing the same thing on the other. And so now he is applying, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, the heat shield to protect the finish of the frame due to the extreme heat it will soon be receiving. Of course, if you have a broken frame that you need to mail to him, please read in the description the instructions necessary to have your glasses repaired. He's applying a liquid called flux that's going to help the solder, the silver solder, flow better. Now applying the last piece. And now the fun part, the flames, the fire. He is Vulcan, the Norse god of fire. So he's now going to apply 13 to 1400 degrees of heat to the frame, heating up both sides of metal, both sides of the frame. And once the frame is hot enough, the solder will melt and flow onto the frame. As such. He's putting the tools away. Release it from the clamp. As you can see, it is one piece. He is knocking off the heat shield, saving that, recycling all materials. And then he's going to put it in the ultrasonic cleaner. After a quick scrub, and now into the ultrasonic cleaner it goes for just a minute to vibrate all the debris off the frame. So now it is back together, cleaned up. Now this is known as a string mount frame. You see that there's no frame at the bottom. That is a 20-pound monofilament that he will now put back in there and reinsert the lenses and mail them. And Lindsay in Wellington, Kansas, this is your glasses being repaired. If you want to, please leave a comment in the comment section. And for everyone out there who's just now learning about the Michelangelo of Eyeglass Repairs, this is Doug Riley of Riley Eyeglass Repairs at 115 Market Street, Durham, North Carolina. His phone number is 919-687-7606. And you can just contact him if you need information regarding having your eyeglasses repaired.